So if we want to find how much this investment is worth after 5 years, since this is being per annum every month, this is going to be compound interest. So we need to fill everything into the compound interest formula. So first, our principal is going to be how much we're starting with our investment, so $2,500. This every month is telling us that n is equal to 12 because it compounds 12 times a year. Years is just going to be t, and then our interest rate r, here let me just do this in red. This is going to be our interest rate, but then we have to divide it by 100, so it'd be 0.028. And now we can just plug everything into our compound interest formula and then let the calculator do the work from there.